Alright guys, so today I'm going to be attempting to pour my first silver bar, which means I'm going to be attempting to burn this up, melt it up real nice, this 1 ounce silver bar right into that pot right there, using that so I can hold on to it, okay? I mean, this is not professionally, of course, this is my very first poured video. And like I said, I'm going to be attempting to do this, all right? So thank you guys for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you
Hold up, wait a minute. First off, you're bored and you ain't got nothing better to do. Second of all, how in the blue hell are you going to teach them to do something better with their life? In this video, you're going to teach them how to burn their house down, if anything else.
Yeah, but,
No stuttering, boy. This is not always fun and games. This is dangerous here, boy.
Yeah, you're right. All right, I'll skip that part. But you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos.
All right, much better.
Here's my glove, guys. But I can't touch nothing with it. Oh, man. Oh, come on, man. Take this off. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is more like a test run. I have my furnace on the way, just haven't come yet. But by the time you guys see this video, it should be here already. So I'm going to make a video update on that later.
Guys, the setup is all wrong on this. Please, please, please don't listen to this idiot and try this at home. Please, I'm begging you guys. There's so many things that's wrong with this. Exhibit A. Look what this guy is putting this on. How do you guys think this is gonna end up? Let's continue watching, I guess.
Man, that looks so beautiful. Let's keep it going.
My dude, it's not ready yet.
What you mean? It's ready, man.
Okay, suit yourself.
Watch this. Come on. It's not ready yet.
2, yeah, I told you so. Ho, yeah, I told you. 4.
All right, let's start again.
Bro, I mean, you should stop now.
Man, stop hating, dog.
No, I mean, seriously, you should stop now.
Dude, what's the worst that can happen?
No, wait, please, stop. Who can guess what movie that's from? Comment down below, let me know.
Oh, shit!
See what I told you, man? It's dangerous. Why the heck? I told you, man. You don't listen. If you listen to me, you'd have been okay right now. But you're doing it all wrong. Oh, gosh. I give up.
The title of this silver video should be How Not to Pour Silver. Wow. That's crazy. And that's definitely gonna leave a mark. Yep. It did. What can I say? Turned out to be nice though. Let's put it into water. You know, the most satisfying thing about this is watching the silver sizzle. And the bowl too, I guess. Yep, there it goes. Must be really hot. But this is how the silver turned out. It's real cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Well guys, that was my first attempt at trying to pour some silver. And it didn't really go so good. But there is a lesson to be learned. This is my very first try and I actually failed. Okay? So the lesson to be learned on this is...
Wait, I think I know the lesson. The lesson is, if at first you don't succeed, you should always get up and try again. Although this was your first try, you're saying that if you keep going, you will eventually get better. Because no one succeeds in the first try. They just keep going and practicing until it becomes a craft that's mastered. That's a great lesson. Oh man, I guess you are teaching these people how to have a better life, aren't you? That is the lesson, right?
Hell no, I was gonna say, man, I quit. I ain't doing that shit no more, man. You crazy? I almost burned my house down. Oh my gosh, you crazy? I ain't doing that no more, man. Forget that. I'm out.
That's why